Hey y'all, do you have any of those frying pans or crock pots that just seem so hard to clean? Maybe even an air fryer that just over time you need to be able to clean it. You know, maybe you overcooked something or something, who knows. But when you make beans or a roast, sometimes you get that brown line in your crock pot. Wow, a lot of people don't remember Bar's Keeper Friend. This stuff is fantastic, especially for a dentist's office when you have to clean the autoclave and the trays. It brings it to a brand new shiny finish. For doctors, okay? Autoclaves. It works great and it's safe for the autoclave. But for the kitchen, bathroom, stove, crock pots, I just wanted to upload this because I'm going to share it on my YouTube. Bye. Hey y'all, so I don't know if anybody still washes dishes by hands, but Dawn dish soap, we all have to have some in our kitchen. They have a new lid. It's been out for a little bit, a few months, but I absolutely love it because watch, let me show you. There's no lid to flip. No lid to flip. Look at that. So easy. I don't want to waste it. I'll use it for something else. You see that? No lid to flip. Dawn, hats off to you. I wish the shampoo bottles would do that. Just squeeze and it pours right out, flows right out. I just wanted to share.